So we're back with another DoorDash tip. I know, we're not in the car. We figured we'd change it up. Next DoorDash tip, we're talking about I'm not able to hand off to the customer, but they've requested that I hand it to them. My tip for this is as if you see by the time you park your car and you're getting ready to meet them, I would say instantly hit that can't hand them. And especially in the wintertime, so you're not standing out there knocking 3 times and ringing the doorbell 100 times and ringing their Ring doorbell 1,000,000 times. By the time you leave your car and walk to the front door, you've already cut at least a minute off of that time. So you're only really standing there for 4 minutes or so. But yeah, I've had to do that several times. And I'm very thankful that I have, because for whatever reason, they don't want to come to the door. If you don't want us to meet you at the door, don't ask us to hand it off. That's all I can say. And that's my tip.